Yesterday I was applying cross-banded veneer to this bow, the bow that holds the mirror in this piece. And so I've got all this cross-banded mahogany in here, and I made it wider, obviously, than the actual piece. So there's this extra material all along the edge that has to be removed. I've removed some of it here, as you can see, along the edge here. But I have to be careful in the way I try to remove that. Otherwise, I can split it and ruin the facing of the veneer. So what I've been doing is mostly with files, with different files. Well, I also tried to just, with a sharp knife, score the inside. So I did do that as well, so that it tends to break rather than ruin the faced material. Now there's just a little bit of extra here that I want to get down to the flat, like that. I have to work that miter joint there a little bit in a different position. So there's a 1/4 inch of material that's got to go. When it breaks like that, hopefully it breaks to that cut line that I made on the inside. There it is. There's a clean removal of that extra edge. Now, after I get this all looking like this, I've got to get the glue off the face, and then I need to create a groove on the outside, or a dado or a rabbit, I guess, on the outside edge here, just a 1/16 of an inch. And that's in that valley that I make. I've got to get this banding all the way around the outside edge of this. So that's going to be tricky as well.